Starting cross leg, seated cross leg, the right leg in front of the left leg. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hinge from your hips and fall forward. Bring your hands to the mat and just find the place where you feel something, but it's not too much. Just close your eyes and we breathe together. Inhale, open mouth, exhale. Inhale, exhale through the mouth. Keep breathing at your own and check if you can bring the chin to your chest and that feels good for you. If it doesn't feel good for you, just keep the long neck. We'll stay here for another few minutes, few seconds. Inhale, bring your torso up and we exchange. This time the left leg in front of the right leg. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hinge, bring your hip, your hands in front of you. You fall forward. Again, just find that place where it feels a nice stretch, but it's not too much. And then start to breathe. Let's start to breathe together. Inhale. Open mouth, exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale through the mouth. You stay there breathing at your own, and remember, you can bring your chin to your chest as long that it feels good for your body, your neck and your hips. If it's too much, you keep the long neck. Stay there and breathe. The next inhale, bring your torso up, and we will do half cow face pose. So the right leg is long, the left leg cross, extend the leg, or you can stack your knees. So inhale, arms up, and as you exhale, fall forward. Same thing. Make sure the extended leg is active. You press to your heel, your toes are up, and then you start to fall forward. Again, you go as far as you can, feeling a nice stretch, and you can bring your chin to your chest. Then that's okay for you. Just do it. Keep a long neck. Inhale, bring your torso up, and we will do the other side. Left leg is long, cross the right leg over the extended leg, or you stack your knees, supine cow face pose. Extended leg is active, you press to your heel, your toes are up, inhale, arms up, you hinge forward from your hips and fall forward, place your hands to frame the front leg and breathe. Keep the spine long. Remember, chin, it feels good to chin to your chest, you do it. If not, you keep a long neck. Stay there and breathe. Do a meditation. Just find a nice, comfortable seated pose. Close your eyes, soften your gaze, press a little more into the seat bones and feel how your spine gets long. Hands to your lap, maybe palms facing up or down, wherever feels good for you. Close your eyes and just stay there for a moment. Just check your breathing. Inhale. Exhale through the nose. Again, inhale. Exhale. it's time to arrive. Start to move your fingers, your toes, your neck. Inhale, bring your arms up, gaze up. Exhale, hands to your third eye. Namaste.